Watermelon is a fruit that consists of a whole lot of water. Researches suggest that it includes approximately 90% of water. Watermelons are vegetable crops, even though a whole lot of humans do now no longer recognize this. They have easy pores and skin with a tough lower back referred to as rind. This very rind is wealthy in vitamins and phytochemicals. The rind has a lesser quantity of water and is plenty extra more difficult than different area, as it protects the internal layers. People normally discard this part, after consuming the internal part, unknowingly to them that it has a whole lot of fitness blessings. The quantity of vitamins found in that tough returned is sufficient to maintain your frame in shape. In this video, we will talk about health benefits of this high-quality part of watermelons and why we have to begin ingesting it in preference to throwing it away. Here are the health benefits of the rind of watermelons. 1. It facilitates to enhance the pores and skin. The antioxidants and vitamins found in watermelon rind, including flavonoids, assist the frame to triumph over the sports of loose radicals at the pores and skin. It combats blemishes and saves you aging. 2. They can assist the frame to hold blood pressure. Watermelon rinds can suppress pressure and stress at the blood vessels, due to their potassium content. They assist to combat towards sure illnesses which are associated with blood pressure, along with stroke and coronary heart attack. 3. They can assist to enhance immunity. Vitamin C, which is wanted through the immune gadget, is found in watermelon rinds. The diet facilitates to decorate our immunity with the aid of stimulating the manufacturing of white blood cells that fight towards illnesses and infections in our bodies. 4. It aids weight and fat lose. Since watermelon rinds are low in energy, they could aid weight loss. It can make you sense much less hungry for some time, making it difficult as a way to consume and get fat. For more information on the health benefits of watermelon, you can click on the link in the description box. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe for more.